Okay, so it's hej, välkomna till Absolut Drinks. Absolut Drinks med Rico. Jag är Rico. Jag är Rico. What's no. I'm gone.
We have it now.
I'm so nervous. Hej, välkomna till Absolut Drinks med Rico. Jag är Rico. And today we're gonna make the Pear Mule, just for you, Sweden. An Absolut Mule is already a fantastic drink. Add that flavor of pear. It's an upscale mule. It's like turning your mule up to 11. I mean, a mule is already a fantastic drink. An Absolut Mule is even better. And it's also the perfect drink for any time of the year. Ginger is extremely Christmassy and will keep you warm on those cold winter nights. And it's also super refreshing in the summer. Don't forget, guys, we love likes. Who doesn't like a good like? And if you can see that big red button there, it's got big white letters, says subscribe, hit it. It makes all your drinks better. So let's not mess around, let's get straight into it. The Pear Mule. Super simple drink, all you gotta do is build it. It only needs 2 ingredients, good Absolut pear vodka and your ginger beer or ale of choice. I like mine super fiery, so we've got a very fiery ginger beer. Traditionally, the mule should be served in a copper mug, but we're Absolut. We're not into tradition. We've got some nice stainless steel ones. I always say cheapest ingredient first, but we're gonna switch it up today because it's only a 2 ingredient drink, and we're gonna go straight in with the most expensive ingredient, Absolut pears. So we want a good 45 ml per drink, going straight into the cup. Nice and easy. Next up, you're gonna want like around 15 mils of lime juice. I'm just gonna do a squeeze. I'm gonna cut a lime into quarters and just squeeze directly in. There's 2 things you can do right now. You can just drop it in. It's just gonna add a little bit more flavor, or you can give it a real good squeeze and discard. The choice is up to you. Next up, ice. Get as much ice as you can directly in to your mug. Next, take your ginger beer. Nice, and top up. You'll always notice you'll fill your glass as much as you can with ice. When you start to add the liquid, you'll see the ice drop and start to fall. That may mean you can fit more ice cubes in. Why do you want more ice cubes, I can hear you asking? The fact is, the more ice, the colder it is. The colder it is, the less the ice is gonna melt. The less the ice melts, the less dilution. The less dilution, the tastier the drink. So there we have it. The mule is made, but we need to make it look a little bit fancy. If you have some pears lying around, please go ahead and do a nice pear garnish. Slice it in half, and then just take little slices, like so, taking the full shape of the pear, and you're gonna end up with slices like this. Go from small to large, place them in your drink. It looks pretty, but as you can tell, you kinda gotta balance it. Easiest thing to do, because you just put some lime in the drink. So don't go out and buy a pear just to garnish. Use some of the limes that you've put into the drink and do a lime wheel. Let's have a taste. I'm going for, I'm going for the pear one. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna do that because they're gonna fall anyway. That is the Pear Mule. I'm Rico, and this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. Thank you very much. Or, as we say in Sweden, hej då.